Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Back up to iCloud or Finder so you can revert if needed. Once done, make sure the iPhone is charging or at least 50%. Beta downloads and installs can drain battery. Next, enroll in the Apple Beta software program and install the configuration profile. This tells your device to receive beta updates. You're doing these steps now, so the update process proceeds without interruptions, and you can recover quickly if something goes wrong. You navigate to Settings, General, Software Update, and wait for the beta to appear. Patience matters because servers can be busy. Tap Download and Install, agree to Apple's terms, and watch storage and Wi-Fi indicators. Low space or weak Wi-Fi will stall the process. Once the download completes, the device will prepare and restart to apply the update. Let it run through verification and installation without interruption, because forcing power off can corrupt the install and require recovery. You finish by following on-screen setup prompts and signing back into services, then verify that key apps and settings behave as expected. If something goes wrong, like persistent crashes or boot loops, try restoring from your backup or use recovery mode with Finder to reinstall iOS. That recovers a working system. And because this is beta software, make sure to report reproducible bugs through Feedback Assistant so Apple can fix them. Doing so improves stability for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.